That's why I say Texas weather ain't no joke. Can't judge this weather.
In spite of the gloomy day, the tents went up.
Trying to tie it down here.
Ahead of a San Antonio tradition, camping out in a park with family for the Easter holiday weekend.
It's kind of courtesy. Don't take that spot if it's claimed. Even the tree got to be claimed because people will try to squeeze in anywhere they can.
Ana Cifuentes and her family plan to rotate shifts from now until Easter to protect their turf. They're claiming a spot at Woodlawn Lake Park. On the north central side of town, Breckenridge Park is no different.
Yeah, I came from work and, I just decided to, come and set up and stay for the night. So we've been doing it for about 5-6 years so quite a bit.
It's rare folks fight for a spot, but it has happened. As for Mother Nature, however, she has gotten feisty.
Spray our tents down with water repellent, so if it rains hard enough, we'll all go into the tents and wait it out.
But it won't stop Eusebio Opoca and his 50 relatives from keeping their 27-year tradition.
Illuminated. You see everybody running around, having fun. It's worth it.